introduction. So what's up, guys? We are in the heart of nature, and what I want to talk about now is the direction of my content creation. Where is it heading at? So as you know me, I've been always following just my heart, my desire, my passion. And for me, manifesting my desire, manifesting my life that I wanted it to be, the healing modalities, the psychedelic experience, the healing modalities of the plant medicines, and those kinds of stuff, and just the healing itself by nature. It's so blessed to be in nature, you know, when you're in very fresh air, having nice sun, temperature, and I think that's where my content is heading at, you know, because we've been fooled by the matrix and how the system has been, you know. As you can see, the rat race, people being controlled, people become a slave, people having their own curfew, and it's up to you, no, if you want structure in your life. I mean, I want structure as well in my life, but I think that the total freedom is total freedom, you know. You would know freedom if you can only grasp the feeling of it, and that's what I want to impart in my life, the total freedom that I experience in my life. And I mean, there's still maybe limitations physically, financially, but as you know, I'm getting wiser, I'm getting older, I've gotten abundance, and I appreciate what I've gotten. But at the same time, I'm also trying to let go all of those stuff, because physical stuff is temporary, you know. Our spirit, our soul is forever. So whatever you can do, you cannot stop the messenger delivering his message, and the truth will always come out. And I think that is the only way for us to heal, for us to continue our existence, for us not nature to destroy itself. So I hope you guys have a wonderful story of your life. Hope you be blessed in nature, love and respect. Take care, guys, and peace.